So today we're installing the Mavericks sign. I got Sam working today, Caleb and Justin. Small sign, everybody's here, but I like to have everybody on site when we do this. Everybody took part in this, so it's fun to do the install and see the final product. So everybody's here today. We got the bracket up. We're adding a couple pieces to give it a little bit more strength. It was probably not necessary, but I'm doing it anyways. And then the way I designed the bracket is I have hooks on the back of the sign so that when we have the crane come in place, he can swing it and we can just hook it right in place. Put some self-tappers in some spots that we have planned for. And then this thing sets right in place perfect. This is Mavericks Pizza. So this is the guy that sold the property that I live at right now to me. He's a real estate agent, also invests in property. Bought this place when it shut down and it had pizza ovens and everything ready to go. And so he just rebranded and opened up. Super cool guy. The logo is really cool. So I'm excited for this one today. As soon as Caleb gets that set, Sam, we're gonna move your truck. You're gonna just drive around and you're gonna park right behind like Paul, pretty much right here.
Squeeze right up in here and then just take a couple, pull right in behind me. Park.
I'm just gonna pull out and park down that way a little bit and good to go. I was thinking once he gets it up in the air, we'll tighten it up with the screwdriver. Okay. Sam, do you have that screwdriver in your pocket? Where'd he go? I was just yelling in circles.
Put the one loop around the top of the bracket?
Yeah, around that top
bar.
Mm-hmm. And then just choke it.
Okay.
Turned out good. It really pops like we wanted. So we did the black background so that all the lights will pop at night, but also so that all the bright colors have something to stand off of. And then once we kind of pointed that out, the owner actually painted the back of the, or the top of the building black also. So everything just pops really nice. It's very vibrant.
It's so cool.
And the guys killed it, you know, Justin especially. You know, Caleb obviously with the fab work and stuff in the shop, but Justin's paint work just really set it apart. And your logo called for it, you know?
That's the part, though.
Yeah. So we're gonna go back to the shop now. You guys are gonna hook up the lights, take just a couple minutes, and we'll go back to the shop. We got some things going on. My man, Paul. All right, thank you.
Hi, guy.
This is the brains behind the operation of the crane right here. He loves the camera.
Then I can get out of here.
Thanks, bro.
Yep.
See ya. So we hire Aaron Steele every time that we hang a sign or need a crane for anything. I've probably talked about it before, but Paul's a friend. He's great at running the crane, so it's really awesome when he shows up because we communicate well. He knows what I'm looking for, and every job goes super slick with him here. So if we run into a problem, he's usually got a tool or something to help us fix it. So